Everyone has their favorite content creator. It might be Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, MKBHD, Dan Coe, or anyone else. But have you ever wondered, how do I be just like them? How do I blow up in content creation and become a successful content creator? Well, today I'm going to share with you some insights I've learned over the past 4 years of creating content on YouTube that can help you to do exactly that. But who am I? I'm Remy. I am the face behind the Roblox game development YouTube channel, SmartyRBX, which has over 89,000 subscribers and 14 million views. As I've run this channel over the last 4 years, I've learned many lessons in content creation that can help you to make it as well. So, you ready? Let's get started. First things first, many people come to me asking for advice in how to succeed in content creation. And almost every time someone comes to me for advice, they ask me pretty much the same questions. Hey, how do I edit videos? What do I do for my icon, my logo, my name? What is the best advice to make good videos and get views? And if you're watching this, you probably wonder some of the same things. How do you make the channel icon, banner, and the other branding elements? How do you make good videos? How do you set up your channel in the first place? And while these are all valid questions, they're signs of perfectionism. You want everything to be perfect when you get started on YouTube. And I'm telling you, this is a massive mistake. You think that trying to get all the answers before you start is gonna help you to succeed more in content creation. It's gonna help you prevent some potential mistakes. But in reality, all of this is wasted time and potential. And if you're watching this, the best thing you can do right now is to just start. That's the first key to content creation success. Just start. Start when you're not ready. A lot of people think you have to have all the answers. You got to know the perfect camera, the perfect editing software, the perfect name for your channel. But everything I just listed out to you is irrelevant until you get started. And the reason why you have perfectionism right now is that you have a fear of failure. You have a fear that your videos won't be good enough. You have a fear that you're going to make mistakes. Maybe you'll have people hate on you and reject you for making your content. This is a difficult thing to face, right? But the key is to just start anyways. Start creating content today and push past the fear. And watch how that changes everything for you. Because if you get started, you're gonna suck at first, but that's okay. You're gonna learn, you're gonna grow, and if you continue to improve your content, you will succeed eventually. Now, the second point is to prioritize quantity over quality when you get started in content creation. As you just heard me say, when you get started in content creation, you're gonna suck. Your videos are gonna suck, and that's okay. But to get past this stage of sucking, you'll have to make a lot of content, put a lot of reps in order to get to the quality that you want. See, quantity brings quality. If you want to make good videos eventually and succeed in content creation, make lots of videos. That's all you need to do. It's kind of like the endless essays you get when you're in school. When you're in the second grade, you have to write lots and lots and lots of essays. You start out not that good, but through enough repetition and quantity, you actually start to get good at it. You get good at writing. Your essays start to sound pretty good rather than just the scribblings of a little kid. And the same thing goes with content creation. You're gonna start out like that second grader who doesn't know how to write. You're gonna have troubles making videos. You're gonna have troubles speaking. You're gonna have troubles in editing. You're gonna have troubles in all these different things. And the only way to improve is to make lots and lots of videos. I'm telling you, make 100 videos. Yeah, you heard me right, 100 videos. That's the level of dedication you need in order to make it on YouTube. The third point is speed and momentum. If you want to succeed in content creation, you have to go fast all the time. We just talked about how you have to make lots and lots of videos and have lots of quantity to get the quality you want. And this key that I'm gonna explain to you right now goes hand in hand with that. If you wanna make it in content creation, you need to go fast. Produce content all the time. Produce as much content as you can. This is gonna help you to make more videos, and it's gonna help you to get your channel in motion. See, as you put out videos faster and faster, you're going to start to build momentum. It's like an airplane flying into the air. If we stop sending fuel to the engines, the plane's still going to keep flying. Why? Because it has forward momentum. And this means momentum is very powerful. And momentum will keep your channel going just like it keeps a plane flying. To maintain it, set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, be consistent. Now, I'm gonna tell you about something crucial. The YouTube landscape is crowded. There's a lot of people who are making content on YouTube, but there's only one you. That's why you need to be unique. Use your unique personality. Use your unique perspective, interests, and style. Don't try to be a copy of someone else because authenticity resonates. And if you're listening to this and you start to bring your true self to your videos, you're gonna build a genuine connection with your audience. And that is something that is irreplaceable. You can't do this with anything else aside from authenticity. You might ask, but why would anyone want to watch me? But ask yourself, what can you offer that isn't being done yet in your niche? This is basically what I did a long time ago with my Roblox channel. I thought, what is not being done yet? And now I've built a very unique approach to creating Roblox content. I make highly informative and motivational content that is not really seen anywhere else. I also share a lot of insights that other YouTubers in the Roblox dev space never talk about. And it's worked out very well. So this proves that your uniqueness is your superpower in your content. Embrace it, use it, and let it shine through every piece of content you create on YouTube. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity, and your real unique voice is what will set you apart from the crowd. If you look the same as all the sheep in the flock, you're never gonna stand out. But the second that you do something differently is the second that you get noticed. Now, we've talked about a lot today. If you've watched this far and you've listened, you probably have come out with a completely new perspective on how to create content on YouTube. And I hope that you don't just learn something from this video, but use it and apply it with consistency and dedication. Only you can make your channel succeed. I provide videos and those are a resource, but you do the work. You now have the blueprint to become a successful content creator. If you've watched this far, you have a lot more potential than most people ever will to make it in content creation. So just start. You can watch this video here to learn even more.